That's an easy one right there.
I've been skating 31 years. Do my very first double flip right now. Here I go.
That's a new element to the game.
What am I saying?
What's up, guys? My name is Gabe Cruz, and this is Skate Roulette.
Hey, you guys, we're here today for another epic episode of Skate Roulette. But this time,
We got new cards.
have new cards and special guest, Karl.
Hello, guys. Thank you very much. I'm honored to be here.
We also have normal guest, Fetty Potter. Extra normal guest, Carlos Lastra. Uzi Walker.
I have a broken toe.
And special guest, Nigel Ryan Jones. Oh. We have the rules here. I don't know who sent us this brand new deck of Skate Roulette cards. Whoever did, we wish we knew who you were, and we're very grateful you did. So we have these rules. We're not gonna read them.
We know how to play.
We know how to play, and we're pretty good at explaining it. So basically, let's say I am Gabe Cruz. You have a trick card. I draw a card, and it is a 180. This card says combo. So if I wanted to, I can then pick another card because it is a combo card. So I can draw another one, ollie.
Wow.
So I now do an ollie 180, and since I drew 2 cards, I have 2 tries to land an ollie 180. But wait! There's more. Let's say you wanted to change up the stance and have an opportunity to get more cards. You can go ahead and draw a stance card, and then if you do a nollie ollie 180, you have 3 tries to do a nollie 180. Oh wait, you want to get 4 cards, do you?
Wow.
Why don't you go ahead and do it on a weird board using 2 boards? Uh-oh. Now you have to do a nollie 180 using 2 boards, and you have 4 tries now because you have 4 cards.
That's
okay?
the weird pile.
That's
It's
safe.
like blindfolded, tie your shoes together.
But wait. There can be even more. Another card, an obstacle on the small set, which is a 3. So if you do a nollie 180 using 2 boards down the 3 stair in 5 tries, you have a chance to get 5 cards.
and you're halfway there to
And you're
win.
already halfway to a victory. There you
Yeah,
go.
first
Those
one
are the
to 10.
rules. If you don't try a trick, you lose a card,
If
right?
you don't want to do a trick, you lose a card.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm in this. So it's gonna be
Yeah.
me, you, Uzi, Carlos, Fetty, and Karl.
All playing?
All playing.
All playing.
It's gonna be an epic, legendary game.
I think with Karl being the guest, he should honorarily go first.
Go first, yeah, but all the Braille guys will Rochambeau.
We'll Rochambeau.
Paper.
What?
Paper. No!
So boom, boom, boom.
Dude, that was
I don't know.
perfect. So it's Karl, Fetty, Carlos, Uzi, Nigel, me. All right, my friend, you're good to go.
I'm going for the first card right now. Thank you for letting me go, guys. Smith grind. All right. Stance.
Oh,
Stance. 2 cards.
Okay, fakie. So fakie Smith grind. All right. I'm gonna go weird here. All right. Land pretzel right up my alley. So I have 3 tries, right? Since I have 3
yeah,
cards.
3 tries, yeah.
I'm gonna go on the small box right here.
All right.
Okay, here we go, guys. One more try right here, guys, for you.
Oh, valiant effort, but now it is Fetty's turn.
Land pretzel, that's a tough one. Thank you for taking that out. If it's laser flip, I'm walking that way. Okay.
Kickflip. Regular.
I'll go for 3.
Remove 1 wheel.
Man, that's...
Oh, that's an easy one right there. Oh man, I'm salty
Why?
because that's a good one.
That is a good one. Depending on what wheel he takes off, there's got to be...
I'm gonna take out the front left. I mean, redo?
Yeah, I'll give you a rebate. Good. All right. Last Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Watch I get laser flip.
Nose manual.
It's a
It
combo
is a
card.
combo. You can get another one.
Ollie.
Ollie nose manual. You lucky son of a gun. Fakey nose manual.
That'd be a half cap nose manny. I think I'll just stick with that. Small manny pad.
You got
right
3
here.
tries.
3 tries.
Carlos has 3 tries to do a half cab nose manny. Oh, yeah, that was good. Oh, man. Let's see if Carlos's luck continues in this game. Uzi, you're up.
All right, I gotta be strategic because I don't know what I can do with my toe. So
Manual. Obstacle. Oh, the ledge. Stay there. Be strategic. Oh, no. Yes.
I always go like above
All right,
and
Nigel.
beyond with these cards.
Take the hard card for me, my friend. 5-0. Front side 5-0. Oh, you're chilling. You're chilling.
It's a combo card. Small box.
Are you kidding me? Weird? 3 times in a row.
Oh no! I get plus 2 additional tries though. So I get 6 tries.
You gotta do 3 in a row. You have 6 tries. There's 1. There's 2. Oh, that was easy. 4 cards, man. That was sick. All right, we're gonna have to switch off now.
Yes. Oh, Gabe's up.
I know because all of you guys have gotten easy tricks, I'm literally gonna get like 3 double flip down the 5 or Braille drop. Heel flip. Should I do obstacle? I'll go weird. Give this card to another player. Landing trick is not required.
You just give it to another player.
Wait, can I give it to myself?
Card
Here
up,
you
and
go.
I think you
all
get
of you
that
guys
card.
Rochambeau. Whoever wins Rochambeau gets the card.
Cancel the top out.
Oh, there it is.
The luck continues.
There you go, Carlos. So does that mean I have to draw another one, but I don't have to do the trick? So it means I could draw a 4 and just be okay?
I'm assuming so.
I'll just do a heel flip, man.
Do a heel flip
as long
anyways?
as I'm on the board. I have a card. I'm on the board. You're back up. Revert.
Well, I'm going for stance because I like going switch and rigs. Switch.
Switch Reeve.
All right, what should I do? Obstacle or weird?
Well, you can pick another trick because you got a combo.
Uh-oh. 50-50.
Another combo card. So
I'm going for
that's
obstacle.
up to you.
Large box,
box.
which is that one right there.
Okay, switch, revert, 50-50. I wish it was a small box.
This could also count as a large box right
Okay,
here.
let's get it.
Wow. That's good.
Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate that.
Man, I feel like these cards are a little more like manageable. The other ones got a little crazy.
Keep your words.
Knock on wood.
Please get a laser flip. Please get a laser flip. Oh, varial heel flip. It was
Okay.
in half.
Okay, okay.
Nollie varial heel.
All right, I'm just gonna go with that.
2 tries for a nollie varial heel.
I don't.
Oh, you got that.
I wanted it, Gabe.
All right, you're up, Carlos. Crook.
Do obstacle.
Crook the rail.
Let's go stance.
Hands.
Switch. Switch.
Backside.
Yeah, I'll do that. On the
You
rail.
get 3 tries to do a back crook on a rail. That was the loudest thing I've ever
I
heard.
forgot how to crook.
I'm not tooting my own horn, but I guess I made that trick up a long time ago.
Really?
I think so. That's what they call it. The K grind is either between me and Costin, but he did it way better than me anyway. So
That's freaking legendary. Uzi, you're up. What is this?
It's a tree.
Tray flip. Tray flip. Push regular. Oh, you just push regular, so you can get another one. Switch.
All right, I'll see how my toe works for that.
3 tries to push regular, then go switch and do a switch 3 flip. There's a regular. Now switch. Oh! Made easy work of that. Nigel, is that you?
Yeah. Why do you want me to get laser flip?
Kick flip. Uh-oh.
So I don't get it.
It's
That's a combo.
card. Hard flip?
Double hard flip.
Technically, the kick flip is in the hard flip, so if he just does a hard flip, it'll count.
I mean, it's a kick flip and a hard flip, so it's a double hard flip.
Oh.
Nollie.
Nollie.
All right, just stop there. Just stop there, my friend. Just stop there.
Large set down the 5.
It's the nollie double hard flip down the 5. He has 4 tries. This isn't looking too good, people.
4 tries. Oh, there's no way I'm nollie double hard flipping. There's no way.
I think you could do a regular nollie hard flip, though.
Yeah, I haven't done one in a long time.
That was kind of dangerous.
Yeah. Nollie hard
Laser
flip.
flip.
180. Smith grind
Smith
180.
guy. Smith 180. Oh yeah, mini ramp.
And then if I go like that, would it count?
Yeah.
Oh, let's get it.
Oh, there it is. One more. Oh no!
my friend.
Oh, no.
That's why I don't skate mini ramp, man. So well, and then it just went downhill from there.
Literally downhill.
Laser flip.
What you got? Varial heel flip.
Not too good at those. I'm going for a stance. Nollie.
Nollie.
I can do an inward varial heel too, right?
Technically, that would count, yeah.
I'm going for it, guys.
My elbow is on fire.
I get one more try, right?
One more try.
Oh my God!
That was so
Dude! All right, Fetty.
Oh dear. I feel it. I feel it's there. Okay.
Just varial? Dang, why couldn't I get that one?
All right.
Holding a second board. Varial flip, regular holding a skateboard is what it is. Oh no.
2 more left, yeah.
Yeah!
No slide.
Why do you get the easiest trick?
Hold on. I'm gonna make it
No
interesting.
slide. Push Mongo. That is a combo.
I'm gonna go weird. Catching
While
it.
catching an object.
Oh yes!
3 tries to no slide down the 5 hubba, but he has to push Mongo and catch a basketball while he's doing it. Zoom in on that Mongo push. That was so easy. That was amazing.
I gotta make the shot now.
Oh.
Drain it! Carl splashed you!
Oh, he went there. Oh, he went there.
That was worth it.
Okay, all right. That was a little short, because you're at 10 now, right, Carlos? We'll have Carlos be the winner, but we'll continue going. Next person to hit 10 is second place.
Laser flip.
Shove it.
Okay.
Stance.
Front
Front side.
Weird.
Shoes tied together.
Oh. My laces aren't even long enough, but
Well,
Additional try.
yeah, you have 4 tries to do a front shove with your shoes tied together.
I'm gonna have so much leeway.
Oh, look at what I see what you did there.
That's too much. I got too
Yeah,
much.
why do you have more slack than your regular legs?
I got too much extension here. Oh no! Oh no!
What have you done?
All right, I need to get my length down here. All right.
Whoa! How many cards is that for you?
I think I have
8. Dang. I'm clearly in the lead with 1 card. Sorry, I had to do it to you guys.
Yeah,
Nigel,
it's my turn.
here it is. How many do you have?
I have 4. I need to go for gold. Double flip.
Dang it.
Don't be switch. Anything but switch and nollie. Switch! No! All right, well, we're going all out. On the bank, hands in pocket.
pockets.
That is death.
On the bank.
You have 3 more tries.
It's so weird!
Nigel has 1 try left. Dang.
That was a fun one. Gabe Cruz up next.
I swear if this is laser flip, I will cry. 180. This is good. Stance, fakie.
Weird.
Weird.
Oh, no.
Are
1
you
foot
kidding
land.
me?
1 foot land. Yeah!
Let me try to pop one. I'll try to pop one.
Oh.
Can't actually do that, but I'm taking the cheater way. I have 4 cards. Let's go. It's the most excited moment of my life.
We haven't seen Trey or laser yet.
Heel flip, and it's combo.
Oh.
There it is. Oh no! You have to do a laser double heel flip.
Saved my life.
Off the large box.
Select an additional card.
Board slide.
laser flip. I don't know where to start with this.
You have 5 tries.
So I have no idea what I'm doing right now, but I'm gonna go for something. Whoa!
All right, one more. Uh-oh. Uzi, your board.
Sorry, I don't know how my board got there.
I had no chance anyway. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Thanks, guys. I
Sorry,
tried.
that one was crazy. All right, Fez, how many you got? 7?
6.
Shove it, and it's combo.
Oh no.
Tail slide. Oh. Nollie.
No shoes. And it's a combo.
It's still possible.
I just need 4 cards though.
Nollie tail shove. No shoes.
4 tries.
I think I'm gonna try on the
You can do a mini ramp.
Oh! 2 victims so far today.
Oh, kind of like how the ramp feels with the paint. Feels a lot safer. All right, Uzi.
I have what, 8, 7?
You have 8. Yeah, you only need 2 more.
You know what?
And what is it? Hard flip. Oh man. Weird. Obstacle. The ledge. You have 2 tries to hard flip off a ledge. Can be any ledge you want, even the small one.
It's gonna hurt my toe, I know it.
One more, dude, this is for the win, Uzi.
Right over the wax.
Big spin. Nollie, the small set. Nollie, big spin, the 3.
Oh, you got that. Come on.
Yeah, but I need cards.
Hillside
Yeah,
shove.
we'll stay there. I got 3 tries for this. Oh no!
You got that.
Yeah.
So that's +3 for you, my friend.
The stress.
Laser, so you're good.
Kick flip, it's a combo. I'm very confident in my double flips, so I'm gonna get another one. Okay, kick flip 180.
Backside flip.
Obstacle or weird? Take a card from a player?
What?
Carlos, I'm bringing you back in.
Yes!
No, you have to land it first.
Oh yeah, I still get 3 tries.
Yeah, 3 tries. That's a new element to the game.
I'm gonna do a half cap flip. Wait, hold up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I get to take yours, so I get 8. So there you go. Carlos is back in, and now I'm at 8 cards, and my life has not ever known anything like this.
Hopefully I have better luck this time. All we got in. All right, double flip. I've never done one, but I'm gonna go for it really hard. Stance, regular, good. I'm just gonna go for these 2.
All right.
Good call.
I'm gonna summon the spirit of Nigel right here.
There you go.
All right, guys, I've only gotten 1.5 my whole life. I've been skating 31 years.
Today's
I'm
the
gonna do my
day that
very
changes.
first double flip right now, right here. Here I go. Hang those toes off.
Oh,
At least I tried.
you
Thanks.
got it.
That's all I have to say about whatever card this is.
Blindfold.
Blindfolded? I just stop it there. I just end the misery.
Oh, you win a card from another player if you do it.
If you land it, oh man. I will allow you to just close your eye. Just close it. There you go. Uh-oh, you good?
Was I close?
Yeah, actually. Wow. You know, to be honest, it wasn't that bad. All right, Los Litos, all you have to do is do a single trick on flat ground to win again and end the game. Board slide. Shove it, backside board slide.
Combo.
Nollie. Nollie, shove, back board slide. Wow. And you are the winner, my friend.
Brought me
Twice.
back to life.
Well, technically, Carlos is the next winner. He just won again. All right, I'm gonna just point, and as I point, just say what your Instagram is real quick. 3, 2, 1.
Carlos Lastra _24.
Gabe Cruz 01.
At Fetty Potter.
At Nickel Jones.
At Karl_Watson_.
There are some videos right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see in the next video, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs. Carl, thank you again for coming, my friend.
Thanks for having me, guys.
It was an honor.
Appreciate that. What's up?